guys, Abhika Savate. This is Shiva. So guys, in this video, we are going to see some of the tool, which is Tinywow. It is a super excited tool. So, and note, this is not a sponsored video. Okay. So basically, in this site, we can do everything. We can unlock PDF. We can convert PDF to Word, Word to PDF. We can generate QR code. We can shorten URL. We can convert JPG to PNG, PNG to JPG, and also blurring, unblurring, and MP4 to MOV, like that. So basically, PDF to text, PDF to notepad file. So this website is very nice. So I loved it. So make sure you check this one. Basically, this was so good. It will help you in a way such that you can also convert the files that you are unknown to the known files. Suppose some file you have don't know, like extension of OGG, which is the format of audio file. Suppose OGG file you want to convert into MP3. You can directly click on the MP this one, and you can upload the file from your folders and click on submit. I mean, click on download. So it will download into your uh, folders with the MP3 format. So let's do something. Let's do JPG to P. Okay, there is a search button as well. You can also search here. You can find the all the available operations here. Suppose I need to convert JPG to PDF. Okay, I will go here. Okay, from this one I am uploading the our latest video thumbnail. Okay, I was converting it into the PDF. Okay, so it will load. When I click on the create PDF, it will ask for the not robot. Once it was done with the processing, we can get the download option, so we can directly download from this website. So we can see that download option, right? So save to device. So when we click on save to device, to download to our download folder, when we open it, you can see, right? So this is basically thumbnail of our last video. So this is how we can use this Tinywow. So use this link for everything, may be helpful because we are using this website. Okay. You can also delete your files here. When you click on this folder symbol, you can see the delete option. You can click on delete all. The data which you have uploaded will be deleted in the servers also. Okay, and if you are not interested in light mode, you can also turn it into dark mode as well. Okay, so this is a good website that I have visited in last 2-3 months. So I was sharing with you. It was containing all different conversions here. Okay, so we'll come up with another website which is useful for us. So मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए bye bye.
I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.